Machine pencil cartography. Today, I wanted to discuss the prospect of developing a new direction for machine pencil cartography. To be clear, I will never leave the original goals of MPC behind. So instead, I will encourage you to think of this project as an acquisition rather than me leaving my old goals behind. On MPC, we often discuss the vital necessity of having high-quality outdoor equipment. Therefore, in order to continue bringing informative content to my audience, I have a natural desire to present the highest quality material that is out there. It has captured my attention that I must use the same research, techniques, and software that the industry leaders use, because in order to become a leader in this industry, it will require me to make the same sacrifices, practice the same disciplines, and learn the same techniques that other experts do. I have been inspired to discuss an industrial application that occupies a strange space. This application behaves exactly like SolidWorks or Autodesk Inventor, except this application was designed to fill the needs of the textile industry. This application is called Marvelous Designer. Therefore, I plan to discuss Marvelous Designer on MPC, and I plan to discuss how textile designers would approach the problem of designing fabric accoutrements. These accoutrements are important technologies, since these fabric accoutrements are often considered life-saving appliances. Examples of appliances that would be supported by learning how to use Marvelous Designer include important objects such as climbing harnesses that are responsible for catching mountain climbers when they fall, personal flotation devices that are responsible for protecting the lives of sailors in the event that men fall overboard. Another example of a fabric accoutrement that could be a life-saving appliance would be a parachute, which would need to be designed and assembled in a responsible manner to protect the skydivers who have ostensibly entrusted their lives to these devices. This drafting software will also be appropriate for discussing ballistics and accoutrements, because textile products are often used as our primary ballistics solutions, such as in the cases of our backpacks and our load-bearing equipment. It is appropriate to recognize that these products were designed by textile manufacturers, and that we owe our appreciation for these products to the textile industry. Finally, I will mention that the appliance I find most important, and definitely the most exciting, is that Marvelous Designer will be the correct application for researching and understanding how our hiking boots are designed, assembled, and maintained. As a navigator, my boots are definitely my most prized possessions. This is an excellent reason why the prospect of using Marvelous Designer would excite me. Today, I just wanted to give my recognition that all of these things are design applications that could be unlocked if I took an interest in Marvelous Designer. Perhaps Marvelous Designer is actually intended for creating rugged navigational equipment, and the only reason why I have dismissed this product's capabilities in the past was because I didn't understand what this software was capable of. For posterity, in the future, I would like to frame my use of Marvelous Designer around my interest in how Marvelous Designer could be used as a foundational skill to support the demands of my navigational practice. Thank you for listening. This has been Machine Pencil Cartography, signing out.